Let's say we have 6x squared minus 13x plus 6. So in this complex problem, we can clearly see that the second term is negative. Okay, so 13x is negative. So how do we factor this one? Well, we take the first term's coefficient, which is 6 over here and 6 over here. We multiply them. 6 times 6, that is 36. Then we take two factors from this number that the sum will be negative 13. Okay, so 6 and 6, when we add them, we get 12, not negative 13. However, when we take 9 and 4, we multiply them, we get 36. And when we add them, negative 9 minus 4, that is negative 13. So these are the two numbers we are looking for, and now we will rearrange the equation like this. 6x squared minus 9x minus 4x plus 6. Okay, and now we learned in the previous sessions that this is one term and this is the second term. So in the first term, what is common? 3 is common in the numbers, and the variable is common, x. So inside will be 2x minus 3, correct? 3x times 2x, it gives us 6x squared, and 3x times negative 3, it gives us negative 9x. So now we will take something common, that is for the second term. Well, we have a negative sign and 2. So in order to get 4x, we will multiply with 2x minus 3, because negative times negative, remember, negative times negative, we get plus. So when we multiply negative 2 times negative 3, we get positive 6. Now what is common over here? 2x minus 3 times 3x minus 2. Okay, so let's take a look at one more example. We have 2x squared plus 3x minus 20. As we learned that when the negative sign in the second term is present, that means the two numbers that we are looking for will be both negative. And when the negative sign is present only in the last term, that means the bigger number in factors will be negative. I'll explain you how. So first we will multiply 2 and negative 20. So negative 20 times 2, that is negative 40. So we need two numbers that when we multiply, of course, we get negative 40, but when we add them, we get 3. So what are the numbers? Well, 10 times 4 is 40, but when you add or subtract, we don't get 3. How about 8 and 5? Yes, 8 times 5, it is 40. But remember, we need negative 40. So in order to get negative 40, I told you, when the last term, last coefficient is negative, then the two factors, 8 and 5, the smaller number will be negative. So this is negative like this. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So we also get the second term. Now we will use these two numbers, positive 8 and negative 5, in this equation like this. 2x squared plus 8x minus 5x minus 20. And now we can simply take factor of this term and the second term. First term will be 2x times simply x plus 4, and the next one will be negative 5 will be common. Inside will be x plus 4. Now we have our answer, x plus 4 times 2x minus 5. Okay, so how about in the equation when both the terms are negative? Let's say we have 6x squared minus 5x minus 6. So in this one, when both the terms are negative, those two factors that we discussed before, the smaller number is positive and the bigger number is negative. I'll explain you. We have 6 times negative 6, we have negative 36. So we need two factors of this, that when we the sum will be negative 5. So again the numbers will be what, 9 and 4, because they gave us 36, but we need a negative 36. And I explained, when both the signs are negative, that means the bigger number will be negative. Bigger factor is negative 9. Negative 9 times 4 is negative 36, this one. But in order to get negative 5, we do this. Oops. Negative 9 plus 5 is, so negative 9 plus 4 is negative 5. So same numbers, okay. And now we will rearrange the equation using negative 9 and 4. So we have 6x squared minus 9x plus 4x minus 6. Okay, now we will take something common between this term over here, this term over here. We have 3x as common. Inside the parenthesis we have simply 2x. 3x times 2x, it gives us 6x squared, minus sign and 3. Okay, no x required because 1x is already outside. So in the next one we will take plus 2 as common. Inside will be 2x because it will give us 4x, and minus 3 because we will get negative 6. Now we get our answer, 3x plus 2 times 2x minus 3.